Yeah, guys. Crazy dark clouds. It's not been fun. Picking up parts from the storage unit. Got paint supplies, tarps, chairs, etc. Ready for this episode to go down. Let's get it done. Alright guys, welcome to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage, where we continue working on the Volkswagen. So today, hopefully we work on sand down, paint prep, and get those preparations ready for the next and final coat of the blue and the ivory, so that we can get this car buttoned up and ready for seals, headliners, all the good stuff. We got all the good stuff to put in it. So make sure you follow along with this build. If you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification button, and continue on with this series. Alright guys, time for the nitty gritty. Sand blocks, sanding everything. There'll be a lot of sanding, not much else going on. I need to prep and primer the inside rails and underneath the vent there. So I need to get some more paint, primer, rust stopper stuff so I can do that. I kind of just noticed that looking at some other things. And if you guys know that stuff, is that already primered? Or do I need to sand all the black off or just rough up the black? So if you know on that, what do I need to do? How much do I need to take off? Or what I need to do to prep that for paint? That would be helpful. So make sure you drop that in the comment and let me know on that. Shout out to B is for Build Chris. Getting the old B is for Build flag, shop flag up. I need to get some more shop flags. Who else sells shop flags? I need to know. I need some more. Let's do this. Sanding time. Blue Man Crew. Well, that was a lot of sanding. That took a little while. It's nice to look over the car, find some runs and some imperfections and be able to sand them out, get them ready for the paint. I'm going to go ahead and work on the fenders and the hood and the trunk lid off camera. I got some, where are they? I think they're right there. Some sawhorses, put some sticks across them so I can set them up, set up a little area with the fenders off to the back side over here behind me. Be able to have the hood and everything all laid out. So when I'm painting, I can mix it all, put the hardener in it, getting it all prepped and ready and sitting and getting it all set up. So then I can do one coat of all blue at one go. And then I can work on setting up and doing one coat of the ivory and finishing that off. So again, do I sand that all the way down? Or do I need to just rough it up so paint will stick on it and re-primer it? Or is that already primer ready to go? Let me know on that. Alright guys, body work is not for the faint of heart or the fat and lazy. Because I'd like to be fat and lazy right now. But it's a lot of work. So shout out to body guys and paint guys and all those guys that do this, because it takes a lot of effort and a lot of work. It's something I learned that some of it's fun to do and some of it I don't really care for. And I'm not that great at it, so I'll leave it up to the professionals next time. But it's been fun learning how to do the body work, how to paint and set up and do all the fillers and get everything looking pretty nice for what I can do to making it look way better from what it was. So thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage, guys. And again, if you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. There's definitely more to come. I'm going to work on the fenders and all those pieces off camera. There's only so much I can show you of sanding and prepping and getting it ready. I hit some of those spots that had kind of rubbed on tarp stains and bird crap and different things like that. They look like they're all gone. I hit some runs and things that I've seen in the cars. I got them all cleaned up. So things are looking up. Progress is happening. So make sure you follow along for more to come. Till next time.